everyone. Today we are here to share with you an experience from the city of toys, Channapatna. Channapatna is home to the art of wooden toy making for over 200 years now. These toys are so unique that they found their way to the residence of the former president of the USA, Barack Obama. Your host takes you through the complete toy manufacturing process at an artisan work facility, along with an introduction to the history of craft, its uniqueness and special features. While all the toys are made using machines, you also get to visit a nearby village where lacquer craft is practiced on hand-driven lathes in the original form. The tour ends at the facility where you can try your hands at creating a souvenir for yourself under the watchful eyes of a master artisan. You can take back some of the souvenirs as gift from the shop within the premises.